Oke. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Uh,
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi.
Hi everyone. So today I'm interviewing Mr. Afif. I really admire for his hard work and consistency. He was known as Vice President of Talent Development, Area 9, at Talent Development Division. Uh, he is also Directorate Legal and Human Capital Management, PT PLN Persero, head office. So the reason I choose him for to become my interviewee is because of his passion towards his work, and then his consistency. Okay, so I won't spend much time on introduction. So let's get on to the interview. Okay, let's go on to the first question. So, Mr. Afif, what type of work do you do every day?
Okay, Mas Aidin. Uh, I'm currently working as a vice president in state electricity company based in Makassar, where your family originally from.
Oh,
My job is managing people are known as human capital, particularly in talent development.
oh. Well, that's kind of interesting, and yeah, I want to deep dive into it. But I want to go on to the next question. So, yeah, this one is kind of interesting. So, how long have you been working on this job?
Okay, how long have you been working on this job? I think I've been working in this company for about 17 years in various division and position.
Masya Allah. Uh, Okay. So yeah, for me, that's a long time of working in the company. Yeah, that's it. That looks very inspiring to me. So let's move on to the next question. So yeah, this one is more about your opinion about your job. So yeah, you can answer whatever you want. So the third question is, what do you think about the toughest part of your job?
Okay, the toughest part of my job is when I have to discipline employees who break the company rules.
Oh,
It's just like school. There are good students and there are naughty students.
I see.
I have to punish the naughty ones to teach them a lesson. It weighs on my conscience, but it has to be done so they don't repeat the same mistakes. I
Well,
think that
oh
I
that
did.
that's it for the toughest one.
Yeah.
Well, so by doing this job, you what is it again? Uh, you are taught a lot of things about discipline or something, right? Isn't that correct?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's
Well,
correct.
for me, that's interesting. And let's go upon to the next question. So, yeah, this is the opposite. So, what do you enjoy the most by being part of this job?
Okay. I think I enjoy very much helping my staff to reach their goals. ID. That's so simple.
Well, okay. I like that question. It's so easy to understand. Really, I really sincere about that. Let's go to the next question. So this is a personal question, so you can be honest about it. So let's go to the fifth question, which is, what do you personally think about your job?
Okay, what do you personally think about your job, about my job? Yeah.
Yeah.
Uh, I think I love my job very much. Uh, I enjoy being transferred and stationed anywhere in Indonesia. I've been to Makassar, Manado, Surabaya, and Jakarta. I'm able to travel around Indonesia while doing my job. I did.
So in conclusion, it's not just working, but you can also travel around, right? That's
Yeah,
why
of
it
course.
is uh, a great job for you.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's move on to the next question. So, what helps you stay consistent on your job?
Okay. Uh, I think I make plans. I make plans to support my job. I think every single thing must be prepared, and I make sure that every task needs to have a person in charge, so it's easier to be monitored. I did.
Oh, so to complete task successfully 100%, you need to plan everything correctly, isn't it?
Yeah, every single thing must be prepared. I did. I think.
Oh, okay. Yeah, well, that's very inspirative. Let's go on to the seventh question. Yeah. So this is the two last question, which is the seventh and the eighth. But now I'm going to for the seventh question. So this one is interesting because this is about reflection about your job and your life. It's what mindset do you have to keep up the work to be successful?
Okay. I live by the principle that everything I do in my job is a form of worship. Respect everyone, no exception, and be humble. Be brave enough to take a risk, but stay responsible. I think that.
Oh, I understand. That's such an inspirational quote. For me, I would take that as a lesson for my future future career. Thanks for the quote. So this is my last question. What advice would you give me as an eighth grader for the next generation also?
Okay. Yeah, enjoy your time as eighth grader. 18.
Oh,
Enjoy your time as eighth grader. Make friends, play hard, study harder. Because in the end, what matter is not how academically smart you are, but also how good you are in your social life. Communication and networking skills is key.
oh, I see. So that key will be the one that helps you successful in life, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, I see. That's so inspirational, Mr. Afif. Thank you for being my interviewee. This this eve yeah this evening. Uh, Thank you also for joining my meeting. So I think that's it for my interview session with you. Thank you so much, Mr. Afi, for sharing your thoughts. It is a pleasure to be able to interview you. I think that's it for the interview. Thank you, Mr. Afif, and thank you for the viewers. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, thank you too. Good luck with the assignment ya.
Yeah.